welcome once again. I'm so happy that you can join me in this video. Today we'll be talking about drawing the eyebrows and I'm so excited. I'm Victoria and I help beginner artists improve their skills by giving them tips that they need to upskill their art. So, if you would like to learn how to draw realistic eyebrows without making the same mistakes many people make sure to stick around to the end of this video and I will see you. I've already gone ahead to draw the whole of the eyes except the eyebrows, and that's for the purpose of this tutorial. So let's get right into it. So the first mistake you want to avoid while drawing the eyebrow is to draw single random straight lines. No. Please take that out while you are drawing your eyebrows. We do not do that here. No. That's a no. The second thing that you want to take note of while drawing the eyebrows is to draw curvy lines. Do you get that? Draw curvy lines, not straight lines, curvy lines. Because the eyebrows in its natural state, it's not that straight, it's curvy, it's going in different directions. So you want to also do that. And while you are drawing this, you want to make sure that you are flicking your hand so that you have a thicker line at the bottom and a thinner line at the top. Now the third thing, very important, that you need to take note of while drawing your eyebrows is to draw them in pairs. You want to draw them in twos, in threes, make them clump together. Make the hair strands overlap each other. That is what will give your eyebrows that natural, realistic look. And that's what I'm doing in this video, as you can see. The fourth point that you want to take note of is to follow the direction of the eyebrows that you have in your reference photo. So if the eyebrows is hacked, you want to make it hacked. If it is straight, you want to make it straight. So follow the direction of the eyebrows in your reference photo. You want to observe closely. You can see where my arrows are pointing towards. So this is showing you that my eyebrows are hacked. So I'm just going to draw an example right near it so you can see that. Number 5 thing to take note of while drawing the eyebrows is you don't just want to shade right into your eyebrows. This could work fine if you are drawing a cartoon character. It's totally okay. But if you are drawing a realistic eyebrows, no, this will not work. So combining the first 5 tips together, I'm just going to be drawing an example of what a realistic eyebrows look like. So that's just what I'm doing here. So just follow along. So my friends, I want to assure you that if you can make use of the 5 tips that I've given to you, and if you can practice with it, in no time you would also be able to master the art of drawing a realistic eyebrows. So I'm just going to be finishing the rest of the video. I hope you have learned one or two things, and if you have done so, kindly drop a like, comment, and you can also subscribe to my channel so you could get notified when I post another video. Video is not over, so make sure you stay till the very end of this video. Enjoy!